And I just started in here like as not knowing nothing as welding, just my dad's a welder, and I learned a lot. I learned about MIG welding, TIG welding, SMAW. As a career, I want to become a welder, a pipeline welder, and just move my way up from there, possibly go as a shop foreman. Started liking it even more and more as I advanced, and when Mr. Padilla came in, that's when it all changed, and we started getting professional certifications, and it would open their eyes more, like, because I'm certified in that process, and there's people that don't have those certifications that have been working out in the field, and I've obtained them in my high school career, so he's getting us ready for real world work.
Well, before I came into the class, I had no experience welding at all, so just striking an arc and, running a bead, the basics, that was all new to me. I like the idea of just taking material and being able to form whatever you can imagine. Well, right now I see myself as a fabrication, fabricating things for a shop, but in the future I'd like to, go up the ladder and just be more.
Well, we're preparing our kids to actually, when they leave Cholla, they have a basic understanding of what the industry is like. For me, it's been a privilege to have the opportunity to pass these skills on, which is welding and fabricating. We have a lot of mines that surround us. So a big industry here is the mining industry. And the mining industry requires welders, requires fabrication, repair welders. So that's what they get to actually see firsthand. We take them to these shops and they get to see not only the new fabrication that's going on, but repair fabrication, which is something that the mines continuously have to do to keep their operation functional. The guys have an opportunity. Every summer we have what we call a welding camp, and it's a 2-week course, and the guys actually get the opportunity to come in on their own time, and they just grind away at a certification. Now, Oscar and Alex both are some of my kids that have the highest certifications for Cholla welding. I believe both of them have 4 certs under their belt now. This summer they'll get the opportunity to continue to certify, so they're going to have a couple of tools in their chest when they leave Cholla to show the employers, hey guys, this is what we've got, this is the experience that we've gotten from Cholla, and this is what we can do.